Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix TrimUI Smart Pro not showing any games, SD card, file format and firmware guide. Fix 1. Check if the SD card is detected. First, power off the TrimUI Smart Pro and then remove and reinsert the micro SD card. Now restart the device and open the Games tab. If no consoles or games appear, test the SD card on a PC to make sure it is readable. Fix 2. Refresh the ROM/game list. Open the Games tab and press the menu button. Now select Refresh ROM. Now wait for the scan to complete and check whether your games appear. Fix 3. Verify ROM folder locations. Connect the SD card to your computer and open the ROMs folder. Now place each game in the correct system folder GBA, SNES, PS1, PSP, etc. Then safely eject the SD card and refresh ROMs again. Fix 4. Update the firmware. Download the latest firmware for the TrimUI Smart Pro and copy the firmware.awimg file to the SD card root. Now insert the card into the device and hold volume down plus power until the update starts. Then wait for the installation to finish and reboot. Firmware updates often fix SD card and game detection issues. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.